A special advisor to the Independent Commission for Infrastructure says work will continue despite back-to-back resignations. Here's the report.
Only one commissioner remains at the Independent Commission for Infrastructure or ICI, and that is former Associate Justice Andres Reyes Jr. But the task before him is heavy and nearly impossible to carry out alone. The ICI has been investigating corruption in major infrastructure projects, including the alleged flood control scam. With the resignation of Commissioners Rogelio Singson and Rosana Fajardo, questions are now being raised over the future of the Commission. According to ICI Special Advisor and former PNP Chief Rodolfo Azurin Jr., the work cannot simply stop.
We just have to wait kung ano yung magiging fate ng ICI. So we just continue to do our thing. Gawin lang namin yung trabaho namin. So that pagdating ng bagong commissioners, kung may darating, at least naka-ready na for filing yung mga referral na i-akyat.
For now, several government agencies continue to assist the ICI so that investigations can move forward. The Asset Recovery Technical Working Group has already convened, led by DICT Undersecretary Aboy Paraiso, to discuss how allegedly stolen funds from the infrastructure projects can be recovered.
We discuss yung role ng mga bawat agency na tumutulong sa ICI, and we advise everybody to just continue working hand in hand so that at least we could deliver kung ano man yung mga output na mai-deliver natin as expected by our people.
Beyond government agencies, the ICI said public cooperation is also crucial. In fact, the seizure of luxury vehicles linked to former Congressman Zaldico was made possible through a tip from a concerned citizen who voluntarily approached the commission. Malacanang was also asked about the possibility of dissolving the ICI. According to the palace, there has been no such directive from the president.
Wala pong anumang panag-uutos pa ang Pangulo, kundi ipagpatuloy pa rin ang kanilang mandato, ipagpatuloy pa rin ang kanilang pag-iimbestiga, at maging fact-finding committee pa rin po sila. So kung sila po ay susulat sa Pangulo, hintayin po natin ang kanilang panawagan sa Pangulo para po masagot naman ito ng Pangulo.